Hours left in 2025 as we look live at Times Square. Is a lot of people there in the Big Apple getting ready to ring in the new year. Going to be thousands are going to be flooded right into Times Square. And for our final forecast of 2025, let's go ahead and bring in Chief Meteorologist Tara Lane, talk about how we're going to end the year here.
Yep.
A little bit warmer, but still windy outside.
It's still windy, especially up in the mountains. We've got another wind advisory in effect for you all. Wind gusts 50 miles per hour. Later we get into the night and closer to when the clock strikes
those
midnight.
little hats you're wearing.
I know. Hold on to the hat and be careful with some of those fireworks celebrations if you're participating in that later on tonight too. A little breezy too outside of the mountains and down through the Piedmont later this evening, but dry. Now the mountains could end up seeing a couple flurries flying around. A little bit of light snow still possible once again with a cold front moving through later on tonight. That's what's helping to kick up the wind too. But only thing we're noticing right now on these final several hours of 2025, just some scattered clouds mixing in with all that Carolina blue and sunshine. A nice looking day, looking live from our exclusive Arlington camera. And the temperature is now back up to about 50 degrees after keeping it on the chillier side yesterday. Those numbers mostly in the 40s, if not colder, like you all in the mountains stayed in the 20s yesterday. But finally, we've been climbing out of the frozen zone for you all there just a little bit, not by much. Only 33 in Jefferson right now, 35 at Boone. But then we head down the mountain. We're at 50 in Morganton and around Lenoir, and some lower 50s off to the east. Still at a chilly 47 in Albemarle. So front is on the move, heading in from the north and west, and you can see some of those scattered clouds swinging in with that. The majority of the widespread snow will stay north of you all in the mountains, but again, some flurries possible, but staying dry everywhere else. If you are going out tonight from 7 p.m. through 10 p.m., midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning if you're still out, partly to mostly cloudy with temperatures backing off through the 40s and 30s, so bundle up. It's going to be chilly out there. Wind advisory is in effect for you all in the mountains through about noon tomorrow, the first day of the new year. Again, with those gusts expected to be around 50 miles per hour. They're not that bad yet, but notice how those forecast wind gust numbers do start to increase later on into the night. 40 plus miles per hour at times through about 5, 6, 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Not that windy of conditions expected outside in the mountains, just a little bit of a breeze from time to time. So again, tonight, wind picks up, mountain flurries possible. 2026 will start with some sunshine. Clouds will hang on a little bit longer for you all in the mountains, but staying dry in terms of rain chances for the first couple of days of 2026. By January 3rd, on Saturday, though, we will get some needed rain back in the picture now. So notice temperatures tomorrow, too, ending up just a touch warmer. Once again, even a little bit warmer than today, up to 56 degrees. So that's a little bit above the average high of 53 nowadays. There's that front coming in late tonight and into tomorrow. So as you can see, not much green or even blue showing up, indicating any significant snow up in the mountains until we get into late Friday. Now, late Friday, Futurecast is showing the possibility of a little bit of spotty light rain. We'll have to watch that and just keep that in mind if you are headed out to the Duke's Mayo Bowl kicking off at 8 p.m. on Friday over at Bank of America Stadium. For the most part, it is looking dry. We will have some clouds around. It's going to be chilly with those temperatures in the mid and upper 40s, but the better chance of rain moves in overnight and then heading into Saturday morning. And now, as opposed to yesterday, when it looked like this storm system was going to take a little more of a southern track, now it's shifted a little more north once again. So spreading in some heavy periods of rain, mainly the first half of the day on Saturday. Later we get into the afternoon, the drier it will become, and then Sunday is definitely looking like the drier half of the weekend. Rainfall, how much could we see here out of this? Up to about 1/4 to 1/2 an inch. Notice those slightly higher amounts expected down into sections of South Carolina, not quite as much the farther north we go. 7-day forecast shows 56 tomorrow for January 1st, 2026, 57 on Friday. Cooler with some of that rain around on Saturday and then warming back into the 50s to lower 60s next week.
Queen City News Plus. Just search Queen City News on your smart TV's app store.